Hey everyone, welcome to my channel, The Stock Analyst. So this morning I released a video on ticker symbol NVAX, which is for Novavax, and this is another one. I'm making this now because I think with the increase in Omicron variant cases and overall things, seems like the vaccine play they might have a nice run up. So please check my prior video on NVAX. Also, in this particular video, I want to talk about ticker symbol OCGN, which is for OCUGEN. If you look at the chart, last Friday it was up by 4.3%. More importantly, after hours it was up by 16%. So in one day only, Friday, it was up 20%. Look at last Friday's chart. Nice run up, came down, end of the day, boom, and after hour even went higher. So in this particular video, I will talk about the support, resistance, option chain activity, and few other things. And if you find this video useful, please do not forget to hit the like button. Do not forget to subscribe to my channel. At the same time, I have a Patreon community. Please join my Patreon community so that you can get access to my Discord to get alerts, so that you can make money for day trading, swing trading, even for option alerts. So anyway, let's go back to the main thing. So let's have a look. We all know the Omicron variant, it is going and it is spreading a lot. So that's nothing new. So you know this thing is going higher and higher. So anyway, so look at the OCGN recent news. Like 4 days ago, the news came that OCGN stock moves higher on new vaccine data. What to know, right? So they came up 5% today after reporting that its covaxin drug candidate appears to be effective against current and future variant of COVID-19. That is very important, the current and the future variant, right? Indeed, investors are rooting on OCGN stock. So you can go through the report. This is 4 days before. Also, if you go to Yahoo, it talks about a better play. Is it OCUGEN or Pfizer? Both are running, right? We know. And also yesterday, OCUGEN CEO Shankar Masoon resold this amount of share. Anyway, these are some of the news, right? So let's go back to the chart now. First of all, just looking at the chart, you can see how it goes up and down. I'll come back to the chart. I'll talk about the chart. So we will go there. By the way, if you do not have Discord, you can always join my YouTube community just by clicking on the join button, and you will be part of my community. Anyway, so if you go to NASDAQ and if you look at the analyst rating, currently it has buy rating. You see the names here with the price target of 8.75 average with a high of 15 and a low of 4. So average is 8.75. Current price is 5. High is 15. It went to 16, 18. Don't forget that. And a low is definitely a low, where we see a low is like $4. It's very close to the low estimate currently. Also, in terms of volume, if you look at the volume, average volume is 16 million, and last Friday it was 20 million. So during the day it got more volume than the average, but we see after hour it went up 16%. So if you want to see after hour action, so you can always see the after hour movers. So OCGN is sitting at number 1 with a 7.9 million volume with a 16% change. You can also see KPTI, another one, but anyway, we are talking about OCGN. Also, if you look at the daily volume, you can see whenever there is a volume, it is spike. No volume, it comes down, but it moves flat. Again, volume goes up, comes down. Recently, the market was terrible, everything was coming down, so it came down, but this is the floor, right around this area, like $8-9. So anyway, we are already beaten down a lot, and if we see more volume, I think this thing will go higher and higher. In terms of short interest, if you go to Fintel, if you go to Fintel, no thanks, let me refresh the page. Okay, so Fintel is saying 25.36% short interest. For dark pool, it is 49%. Currently there is 0.3 million shares are available to short. The borrow fee rate is this and this and that. Okay, so now let's go back to the chart. Okay, so first of all, just looking at the chart, it looks like a few important things, right? So first of all, if you just add a line here, let's say around this area, $16. So you see triple top. Yeah, it went to 18, but let's talk about 16. So a hit came down, again a hit came down, again a hit came down. So if the momentum is building, maybe it can go to 16, 17 again. Do not forget it has a 15 high analyst rating in NASDAQ. After that, if I find a floor, if you ask me, definitely this is a floor of 6.63, right? You see it was bouncing here, here, again, here, so many touching points. So 6.3 was a previous support. Now look what happened. When a support is broken, it becomes a new resistance. You see it got rejected here, meaning that 6.6, this area will be acting like a resistance when it will try to go back up. Other than 6.6, I see some areas maybe around here, not very precise, but let's say 9 point, let's say 8.9 area. Why? You see some point here, right? It got rejected. It was moving between 6.6 and $9. So for swing trading or day trading, it was a nice setup. So again, if we can go up, we break 6.6, I think we will hit a resistance around $9. After 9, if you ask me what is the next resistance, I would say 10.6. You see here, 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 here. This stock is really nice. Like in terms of charting, I am really enjoying because it's very obvious. You can just easily draw the chart. The next one, 13.2, here, here. You see so many touching candles. It's really easy. Okay, and the final one is drawing a bottom here. I'm gonna draw two bottoms here in case it comes down. Okay, that's the complete picture. So the support is around 5.1. It came to 4.7. It has a nice rally. It went to 5.5, came down, and again it is trying to go back up. So if it comes down to 3.5, that's the bottom, but I think it is not coming back to 3.5. I think this is a nice area, right? $5 area. So I'm going to turn on the extended hour because we know it is up by 16%. So now let's look at the lines. If you want, pause and write down the resistance. So first of all, looks really nice. It was coming down, down, down. Some people say downtrend, and if you like to see charting, this is some kind of downtrend, right? It was coming down, it was coming down, 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 and finally it broke through the line. So it wants to go higher. That's a nice reversal. This is really nice. So 5.1, that's the bottom, that's the support. If it goes higher, 6.6, this is the resistance. After 6.6, I think this thing will move towards $9 or 8.7. You see there's a range, right? You can't say something like, oh, 8.7. No, that's a range. But I'm just giving you the picture because in case it runs, it can run really hard. Last time we did some day trading and swing trading on OCGN. I remember our run up all the way to $18, $19. It was a nice trade, and again it came down a lot, and this is heavily discounted considering the chart. If you think this is the area, and because of the market being red for last few days, this thing came down a lot. So if you establish some position around 5.5, I think this is a good area for making swing trading, and you can make some money. If they come up with some good news, some new positive data or anything, this thing will go higher and higher. So this is a nice setup. I think for swing traders, this is a good one. If you're waiting for a dip, definitely look for 5.1. If you want these to break 6.6 and you want a confirmation, then look for break of 6.6, pull back to 6.6, then it bounce from 6.6. In that case, 6.6 will be your new support. So anyway, just wanted to make this video to give you an idea about the price, because many people were asking me what is happening with OCGN. And finally, if you are a player with who loves option, you can always play with option. The nearest expiry date is 23rd of December. It's not very expensive. 5.5 strike price is only $15. Now after hour it went higher, so when the market will be open, I think this will be even expensive. So you can always try 6.5 or 7 strike price. So when the stock will go higher, you will make money. Get in, get out, make some money. That's it. On other hand, some people, I know they are long term. If you think you are long term, just take something, let's say next year, something in April, right? So you will have a lot of time, almost 5 month expiry from now, 117 days. Buy a call option for 7.5 or even $10. Not very expensive. Just buy it. If you believe this thing will go higher, just buy it cheaper. Whenever it goes higher, you will make a lot of money. Look at the chart. I think it can go back to $9, 10.5 easily. With any kind of good news, this thing will go there easily. So nice setup. So anyway, let me know your thoughts in the comment section, and let me know if you played this particular stock previously to make the run. At the same time, if you find this video useful, why don't you hit the like button? It helps my channel to grow. subscribe my channel. If you like this video, subscribe it, because you will get more videos like this. Also, if you like technical charting, support resistance based trading, you want alert or anything, join my Patreon, so that I can give you the link to my Discord and you will get all my alerts. So anyway, thank you again for watching this particular video. Take care and peace.